All right, real quick before this video begins, coming up on 10,000 subscribers, like 6 or 7 shy of it. Just want to let you know that for the 10,000 subscribers, for all you guys' support and nice comments, stuff like that, I got like 3 or 4 junk cars that run, so I plan on doing burnouts till the tires either catch on fire or burst, run them into each other, of course, probably mash some stuff up with the backhoe, something like that. Anything really I can think of to tell you guys and show you guys how much I appreciate it. Even if you're not subscribed and you just like to watch, I appreciate that too. Thank you very much. Can you say bye, bud?
Bye.
And you say thank you?
Thank you.
Okay. See y'all later. Also, if you want to see like an appetizer of what the 10,000 subscriber video is going to be, go to, like, I just counted it, it's my 35th video I made from the very beginning. The thumbnail is a blue pickup truck and a black Hyundai chained together doing burnouts. And the title is Thank You Scrap and Pallet Man, because he gave me a shout out. So I'm going to switch the camera over here in the dark where the sun's not shining and ruining the video, and give you a little show in case you're too lazy to go look for it or what have you. And we're going to give you guys a big send off. Thank you to Paul Scrap and Pallet Man and all you new subscribers. Go ahead. Close the door, bud. That's the thumbnail right there, I'm pretty sure. You can't miss it. And that's about it. So anyway, like I said, thanks again. What's up, bud? Thanks again. We'll see y'all shortly. Hope you enjoy the video. Alrighty, so me and the Badger are going to pick up a truck he found. What in the world do you got going on here?
No, I want you to
Oh, want me to do a little something?
No, I want
there you go. Crank it down.
Here, how I get that? You gotta lift that thing up, right?
Yeah, but crank the handle down.
It first?
Wrong way. There you go. So Badger, what are we going to get? Since this is your deal.
It's a Ford F-150. It's got a motor, no radiator, but I think the cat is still on it, and it may be an alternator on it. I ain't looking at the engine or nothing. Okay. And there's 3 batteries we can get. Okay. So sounds if it had a title, we can take it straight to Smith right now. Yeah. Go get a few dollars, but since it don't, fuck it.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll catch you on the ride. It's a short ride, so here comes the time lapse. All right, Badger, what do you think? Not too bad. You got a cat on it?
Yeah, is it a cat?
Yep.
Meow. Is it?
Yep. Oh, 2 cats.
Is it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. A and B cat. Might be worth 70 or 80. 300 inline 6. Ford's famous 6-cylinder motor. No radiator. It's a manual without a shifter. That was fun to find neutral while we were pulling it up. We got a dishwasher. Kind of had to take that with the deal. and half a battery there, another one, and there's one more underneath that piece of plastic. Badger, what are we gonna do with it?
What's that?
We gonna let it sit and then tear it apart, or tear it apart soon? Because we're not scrapping. Because
I'm scrapping, so we might just let it sit.
Okay, she's a beauty, huh?
Yeah.
What a gem.
We did okay for being given away.
Yeah, and what, 6 or 8? Not even 6 or 8 miles. 5.
Right. You see, that's another thing. That's what I loved about it. Hey, this is what I gotta check. I gotta check this. It's got me curious.
The mirror is stainless. Stainless or aluminum? You're talking about this
that
bracket?
big part, you're right.
Yeah, it's aluminum.
It is?
Yeah.
Then we know he's gonna get, bam, broke off. Yeah.
This is probably, see if this is real stainless.
Stainless. Yep.
Yeah. Bracket's aluminum. Well, I'm not fooling with that aluminum.
Yeah, well, that's the thick stuff. No, the thick stuff we want.
Oh, here we
don't want
go.
the bull stuff, like siding and all that. Listen, there's a whole house that just come down. Like Sydney house, if that was all aluminum siding. Oh, yeah, let me get that.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a good payday.
All right, let's throw this pig off.
Yeah, we got other stuff to do.
Alrighty, so me and Badger, now that we're done with the truck, we're gonna go ahead and break down these 5 or 6 AC units and electric motors, sealed units, miscellaneous copper we've gathered. Break it all down. We gonna make a run tomorrow?
I hope.
Okay, maybe we'll make a non-ferrous run, electric motors, ACRs, stuff like that. That one he's working on is all aluminum. That's worthless. But either way, it's all good. Time to thin the herd here and get some stuff done. Yeah, that's it. That's a good one.
That's a good one.
All right. Very good.
What are the plans for last?
Sure. Alrighty, so we're gonna cash in this aluminum copper radiators and copper and whatnot we got. We got a strewed out mess right now. We're gonna clean it up, do a little time lapse, go cash it in. Right, Badger?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Badger getting ready to get his shit going.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm getting closer, goddamn y'all. It's getting closer.
Okay, let's get started. All right, I thought I had the camera on time lapse while we were loading, but obviously not. I must not have pressed the button. Anyway, on the very on the very bottom over there, we got 250 pounds of clean ACRs. On top are just aluminum radiators, pile of electric motors, sealed units, #1 copper, transformers, a little bit of brass for the ass,
And
#2 copper. These are all the cutoff ends from the ACRs. Sometimes we pull the copper noodles out, not this time, and 4 or 5 batteries there. So Badger, we got $400 or $500 worth, eh?
Hey, you think I wish?
Yeah, of course we do.
You think so?
It's at least 4.
At least 4. Oh, well,
Yeah.
if it's 4, it's good.
Yeah.
I mean, hell yeah. Well, you know what though? I know it's got to be some change here because you ain't gonna make a run unless it's worth.
Yeah. You want to make a dollar bet? It's at least 400.
You want to make a bet that it's at least 450?
No. Dollar for 400 or more.
400 or more? Oh, it's 400.
Okay.
I do believe.
All right, we'll see you there. Alrighty, here we go. Badger doesn't know the price yet, but I'll just go ahead and tell you now. It's $543, Badger.
Oh yeah!
I should have bet that dollar.
Hell yeah! Cool.
We had 278 pounds of electric motors for 55.
Get out of the way.
Clean aluminum radiators, right side of 100 pounds for 26. 574 pounds of sealed units for 91. Clean aluminum copper radiators, ACRs, 146 for 169. $102 worth of #1 copper, 42 for #2 copper, a little bit of brass for 34, and the cutoffs were 17 bucks. Badger?
What?
Oh, for 543. Badger, what do you think about that?
Oh,
let me throw that receipt at you.
Oh shit, man!
That wasn't bad. That wasn't bad, was it?
Hell no! Damn, what'd you say? 4?
Yeah.
But then you said it might be more than that.
Yeah, I said at least 4. I didn't think it was.
4.
I didn't think it was 5.5 though.
Damn, crazy.
Yeah.
Cool.
All right.
Hello.
What are we gonna do now?
Huh?
What are we gonna do now?
I don't know. What you want to do?
I don't know.
Can we go somewhere and make some money? I'm trying to get that grand, boy.
Let's see what else we can get into.